In this video, we're looking at depreciation. So depreciation is the decrease in the value of an item over time. So an item is said to depreciate if the item loses value because of age. So the formula for depreciation is very similar to that of compound interest. The only thing that has changed is instead of having a plus there, we have a minus because it's going down instead of going up. All right. Other than that, it's the exact same because remember, compound interest formula is shown as this. So the only difference is depreciation is a subtraction sign and compound interest is an addition sign. Now A is still the final value of the item, P is the original value, R is the rate of depreciation per period, and N is the number of periods. So it works the same way as compound interest. So here we have a question. We have a car and we need to find its value after 7 years. Now it started at $49,990 and it depreciates at 12% per annum. So like compound interest, write the formula down first. And then we can start to label our values. So we can substitute it in. Now remember, it needs to be decimals, and the trick, if you remember, is if the percentage is bigger than 10, there's only 1 0. If it's less than 10, there's 2 zeros. So what I mean by that is because this is 12% and it's bigger than 10, we have 1 0 out the front. If it was, let's say, 9, it would be 0.09. And we have 7 up there. Now at this stage, you can just use a calculator. And that comes out at $20,429.69. So it's depreciated quite a bit. Now, we're lucky that the question just asks for the value of the car. We can stop there. If it asks you how much it's depreciated, that is the original minus the new value. So in our case, this would be $49,990, take away our $20,429.69. So the value of the car, it's depreciated $29,560.31. It's depreciated quite a lot. Now here we have another problem. We'll write out the formula. So here's our P, here's our rate. This time we have several N's and we're going to do one at a time. So for 1 year, the formula will be 12,500, 1 take away 0.20 to the power of 1. So after 1 year, the security system is worth 10,000. We then look at 2 years. And it's going to be the same thing, except instead of to the power of 1, it's to the power of 2. And now it's worth 8,000. And the last one we need to check is 5 years. So 12,500, 1 minus 0.20 to the power of 5. And we get $4,096. So to recap, remember depreciation is the decrease in value of an item, and it has a very similar formula to that of compound interest, except we have a subtraction sign here rather than an addition sign.